Hello and welcome guys to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to apply tempered screen protector in your GoPro Hero 9. So please watch all the steps very carefully. So at first you can see this is Hero 9 Black, which I have recently purchased. So in this we have tempered glass screen protector from Popio. This is an Indian seller. I don't know the branding. Yes, it's an Indian branding. It's from Rajput. Here's the packaging. I have just opened it, but I will show you what things you will get in this. So there are some wipes. It's dry and wet wipes. 1, 2, 3 wipes. And this is a glass for the image sensor. And this one is for the front screen. And this one's for the rear screen. You can see these are some dust absorbers which I will show you further. Let me quickly take a picture of this, which I think this is, it's that difficult to get over it. Yes, you can see this one is for image sensor, and another one, this one's for the front screen. Yes, it's perfect. And this one is for the rear screen. I will show you like this. It's a perfect fit, friends. You can always go for it. It's called Popio. You will find it in my description link. So friends, let's remove this first, which we get pre-installed. You can see it's absolutely clean. So let's don't waste time. This sticker helps to remove the screen guard. Carefully, friends. You don't want any dirt. Let's place it very carefully. Perfect. We'll try to do from this side. I think we got it. Oops. Yeah, that's cool. So guys, you can see we have placed it. As far I can see a small dirt, but it's okay. You can see, friends, we can see everything. It's okay. So I'm turning it off. You have to clean it because it's exposed, so it gets dirty. So let's go for the wet wipe. This is a wet wipe, friends, but don't worry, our GoPro is waterproof. It's basically some alcohol based spirit which is used for cleaning. And now the dry one, we remove the liquid. It's perfectly clean, friends. You can see. Be very gentle, friends, because it's your main camera and the only camera. So try to do it perfect. Yes, hopefully it's absolutely perfect, friends. As you can see, there's no dots or grains. This is the fingerprint mark, but no grains or dirt. Oh, thank God. So now for the main screen. Oops, it's falling. So we will remove this protector. And it's very clean, so we'll directly apply it by removing this film. Be very precise, friends, because it's very big and though it's a touch screen, you have to make it perfect. Hope so. It's absolutely perfect, friends. So I'm going to press it from one side and see the magic. Oh, it's so satisfying. So this is the final product, and I think this is the best tempered glass you can buy in the market. I will give the link in the description. It's saying $5.99 price, but it price costed me, friends, only $2.99. So it's very cheap and absolutely perfect product for your Hero 9 GoPro. Thank you, friends, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up. So see you again. Thank you.